Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Dear students, today we are going to solve the math number 17 from Salaries and Wages chapter. Requirement A. Calculation the amount of overtime salary. For this solution, at first we have to calculate the normal salary rate, that is per hour salary amount. Formula is normal salary rate equal to basic salary divided normal working hours. So for ANAP's total basic salary is 15,000 taka for 25 days. So per hour salary is 15,000 divided 25 is equal to 600 taka. Okay, dear students. Same way, Biplov's total basic salary is 20,000 taka and normal working days 25. So 20,000 divided 25 is equal to taka 800. Same way, Silmon 18,000 divided 25 is equal to 720 taka and Dalim 12,000 divided 25 equal to 480 taka. Dear student, now overtime salary rate. Formula is normal salary rate into double according to question. So for ANAP, taka 600 into double is equal to 1200 taka. Same way, Biplov 1600 taka, Silmon 1440 taka and Dalim 960 taka. Now overtime salary. Formula is overtime salary rate into total overtime. So for ANAP, overtime salary rate 1200 taka into overtime 4 days is equal to 4,800 taka. Same way, Biplov taka 6,400 taka. Same way, Silmon 7,200 taka and Dalim 4,800 taka. Dear student, this is the solution of requirement A. Dear students, now requirement B, salary statement or payroll register for the month of August 2017. At first, we should draw a table in this way. Now, in these particulars of employees segment, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, name of employees ANAP, Biplov, Silmon and Dalim. Their designations no mention in the question. Now in this earnings segment,
At first, basic salary, then dearness allowance 20%, then conveyance allowance, then house rent 40%, then medical allowance, then entertainment allowance, and overtime salary, then total salary or total earnings. And in this deduction segment, at first, contribution to provident fund 10%, then advance salary, then provident fund loan, and total deductions. Okay, student. And now net payable salary. Formula is total earnings minus total deductions. Okay, dear students, then check number and at last signature with date. Now serial number 1, Anab, his basic salary 15,000 টাকা, বিপ্লব 20,000 টাকা, সিলমন 18,000 টাকা, and ডালিম 12,000 টাকা. Then their dearness allowance. Anab 15,000 into 20%, that is 3,000 টাকা. Same way, বিপ্লব 4,000 টাকা, সিলমন 3,600 টাকা, and ডালিম 2,400 টাকা. Now, conveyance allowance. Anab 1,500, বিপ্লব 1,500, সিলমন 1,200, and ডালিম 1,200 also. Now, house rent 40% on basic salary. So, at first for Anab, 15,000 into 40%, that is 6,000 টাকা. Same way, বিপ্লব 8,000 টাকা, সিলমন 7,200 টাকা, and ডালিম 4,800 টাকা. Now, medical allowance. Anab 600 টাকা, বিপ্লব 600 টাকা, সিলমন 600 টাকা, and ডালিম 600 টাকা. Now, entertainment allowance. Anab 400 টাকা, বিপ্লব 400 টাকা, সিলমন 400 টাকা, and ডালিম 400 টাকা. Now, overtime salary. Anab 4,800 টাকা, বিপ্লব 6,400 টাকা, সিলমন 7,200 টাকা, and ডালিম 4,800 টাকা. So, their total earnings. At first, for Anab, 15,000 টাকা plus 3,000 টাকা plus 1,500 টাকা plus 6,000 টাকা plus 600 টাকা plus 400 টাকা plus 4,800 টাকা. Total 31,300 টাকা. Same way, বিপ্লব 40,900 টাকা, সিলমন 38,200 টাকা, and ডালিম 26,200 টাকা. Okay, dear students, now their deductions. At first, Anab 15,000 into contribution to provident fund 10%, that is 1,500 টাকা. Same way, বিপ্লব 2,000 টাকা, সিলমন 1,800 টাকা, and ডালিম 1,200 টাকা. Now, advance salary. Anab 900 টাকা, বিপ্লব 800 টাকা, সিলমন 700 টাকা and ডালিম 600 টাকা. Now Provident Fund loan. আনাপ 900 টাকা, বিপ্লব আনাপ 800 টাকা, বিপ্লব 500 টাকা, সিলমন 600 টাকা and ডালিম 700 টাকা. Now their total deductions. আনাপ 1500 টাকা প্লাস 900 টাকা প্লাস 800 টাকা, টোটাল 3200 টাকা. সেম ওয়ে বিপ্লব 3300 টাকা, সিলমন 3100 টাকা and ডালিম 2500 টাকা. Now their net payable salary. At first for Anap, his total earnings 31,300 টাকা minus his total deductions 3,200 টাকা. So his net payable salary 28,100 টাকা. Okay dear student, same way বিপ্লব 40,900 টাকা minus 3,300 টাকা, নেট স্যালারি 37,600 টাকা. সিলমন 38,200 টাকা মাইনাস 3,100 টাকা, নেট স্যালারি 35,100 টাকা. অ্যান্ড ডালিম 26,200 টাকা মাইনাস 2,500 টাকা, নেট স্যালারি 23,700 টাকা. Okay dear students, now total basic salary, that is 15,000 টাকা plus 20,000 টাকা plus 18,000 টাকা plus 12,000 টাকা, total basic salary 65,000 টাকা. Same way total dearness allowance 13,000 টাকা, total conveyance allowance 5,400 টাকা, total house rent 26,000 টাকা, total medical allowance 2,400 টাকা, total entertainment allowance 1,600 টাকা, total overtime salary 23,200 টাকা and total earnings 1,36,600 টাকা. And total contribution to Provident Fund 6,500 টাকা, total advance salary 3,000 টাকা, total Provident Fund loan 2,600 টাকা and total deductions 12,100 টাকা. And total net payable salary 1,24,500 টাকা. Okay dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Okay dear students, now requirement C, that is journal entries. So at first journal entry will be salary expense account debit 1,36,600 টাকা and salary payable account credit. To record approval of salary for the month of August 2017. Okay dear student, for total earnings this journal entry will be shown. Now second journal entry, salary payable account debit 1,36,600 টাকা, contribution to Provident Fund account credit 6,500 টাকা, advance salary account credit 3,000 টাকা, provident fund loan account credit 2600 টাকা and vouchers payable account credit 1,24,500 টাকা. Okay dear students, now the question, how is it possible to calculate 1,24,500 টাকা? Dear students, this is the amount of net payable salary or 1,36,600 minus 6,500 টাকা minus 3,000 টাকা minus 2,600 টাকা. Then we will get this amount. Okay dear student. Third journal entry. Vouchers payable account debit 1,24,500 টাকা. Bank account or cash account credit 1,24,500 টাকা. To record the net payment of salary. Okay dear students, now fourth journal entry. Contribution to provident fund account debit 6,500 টাকা. That is this amount. Okay dear student, and provident fund payable account credit 6,500 টাকা. To record employer's contribution to provident fund. Okay dear student, this is the 4 journal entries for requirement C. That's all. Hope that you are clearly understood. If any problem, please contact to your respective teachers. Thank you so much.